I made one video about why there is no stealing, why stealing is not popular, why you can easily leave your bicycle and around the shopping mall and you don't need to be worried. If you see on the street somewhere punishment, somebody get tire on his body and somebody get out from the car, he take his belt, slap him 2 times and go his car and go. Maybe if you see something like this, it's like, what is going on? But that means that is thief.
Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you for clicking on today's video. My name is Lillian and I hope you hit that subscribe button. Please do it to give this video a like. So there's this video I stumbled on the front page of my YouTube channel. Because of the title of the video, I was eager to see what he has to say. Upon clicking, then I said to myself, I'm definitely gonna make a reaction video to that video. So this is that video and I hope you give it a like, and please remember it is a reaction video, so from time to time I will give my own opinion, pause his own, and then continue. Now with that being said, shall we dive straight into the video?
This is very common question from another foreigners who want to come to Ghana to do some business. They are asking me, so how is it? I'm here since 2008 and I have right to say my opinion, because there is a big difference. Rather you are tourist. When you are tourist in some country, you see one side of the people and a country, but when you are working for the decades already, you definitely see things from completely different angles. And I have 8 points. If you are patient enough, I will tell you how Ghanaians are. First, Ghanaian, before he insult you, he will tell you "Mepacho," what means I beg. Mepacho, this is when you are wrong, like wrong. But he will not use immediately effort on you, or he will not say bullshit or something. He says, I'm coming. Then he will explain you what does it mean. Not just, who else do that? There is some specific region around every mountains. This is the kindest people on the planet. I think this from where that come. Before insult you, then it say "Mepacho." It's like amazing.
I think I have heard about this particular place is talking about a lot. I've heard both Ghanaians saying the same thing and non-Ghanaians also saying the same thing. And now he's saying it. I think it's time to visit. If you are from Equapim, the Equapim Azes, please let me know. I would like to visit if you can host me, especially if you're from a village. I would love to visit a village, spend time with the people, because I've heard so many good things about these people. There was a time I interviewed a Nigerian woman that is married to a man from that part of Ghana. She only goes home once in a while. So if you live around there or you know how to hook me up with a family member or something like that, please, I would love to visit and spend like a week or 3 days with the people, get to know more about them, because I have heard so many good things about them. Let's continue.
Ghanaians don't say see you again. Ghanaians always say "Ochina," what means tomorrow. But that is very powerful word. One word, "Ochina," tomorrow. There is a hope. This is very positive word. It means there is tomorrow. It means see you tomorrow. It means I wish you to be alive tomorrow. I want to see you again. If not tomorrow, it can be after 20 years. It's still Ochina. Someone who is joining the plane and going somewhere, definitely tomorrow he will not see you. Still he will hug you and say, so, Ochina. So this also Also, I will add to this, when you are saying some nonsense, something what doesn't resonate with Ghanaian, he will not tell you, go away. Ghanaians say, cobra, what means you go come. Ghanaian don't send you one way. In the way he is giving you way back. You go come. When you are giving him some deal what is not good for him. Let's say you want to buy this and this costs 10 cedis and you are giving him price 5 cedis. He say, oh, if you come yesterday, that price was there. You know, he will not tell you, forget about. Is also. So, Ochina. Meba. Meba means I'm coming. Donald Trump even was shocked. How someone from Africa can say I'm coming if he is going? You know what? Don't try to understand everything with the logic, with the mathematic. 2 plus 2 is 4. In nature, not always 2 plus 2 is 4. Sometimes it's much more. So, Meba, when you are waiting for someone and you are calling and he say Meba, that means he's coming. But when you are waiting like 1 or 2 hours already and you are making his phone red, if he will tell you Meba, Meba and hang on you, that is not good sign. That doesn't mean he's really coming. Okay? And Meba, that is, yes, he have good mind to do that. Meba. Also with Meba, he can stop you when you are saying something and when you are not getting him right. He will stop you to say, he will say, Meba, I'm coming. And then he will tell you something. When you say some argument, what is again, maybe not the right, what you understand, he will say, thank you. And then he will explain you. Comment, who else is saying thank you when you are saying something like, doesn't make sense. Ghanaians always going somewhere. You can see from the traffic. Not only rush hour in the morning, rush hour in the evening. Ghanaians always going somewhere. Ghanaian, sometimes he come to visit you and then you are sitting, chatting, eating something or whatever, and then you are trying to find out what is the purpose, what is the reason you come. Then he's like, I just come. In my country, it used to be when we used to go to each other quite often, at least once in a week we go to our relatives, we go visit. Now is no more. Now is Zoom. Yeah, I think it's a nice thing to go and visit your family, your friends without any reason. Not only when you need to borrow the money. I made one video about why there is no stealing. Why stealing is not popular. Why you can easily leave your bicycle and around the shopping mall and you don't need to be worried. If you see on the street somewhere punishment, somebody get tire on his body and somebody get out from the car, he take his belt, slap him 2 times and go his car and go. Maybe if you see something like this, it's like, what is going on? But that means that is thief. Thief is not good profession in Ghana. Like, no. It is something like, no. Yeah, this publicly, if you see people beat someone, that is thief. Also, interesting enough, when I used to travel more than 1 decade back, when I used to...
Please, let's talk about that part. Recently, a subscriber of mine sent a video to me through WhatsApp, and upon clicking, it was a video of a Nigerian man being flogged by a group of Ghanaian men, and at the same time, they were shaming him, calling him names like, you are a thief, you know. They disciplined him. And you know what? I was laughing. I like it. Not because he's a Nigerian, but I love the discipline method used on petty thieves in Ghana. It kind of make the police job a lot easier. They have saved the police sometimes, and then the resources too. And you beat him, next time he will never steal again. In some cases, we've seen videos online here where a thief will be given pepper to eat. raw chili to chew. We have seen some being failed until they had too much to eat and they do not want to eat anymore, but they'll be forced to eat. We've seen that. And we have also seen some be made to dance and dance until even when they are tired, they are asked to continue dancing. I like the discipline method of thieves, how Ghanaians discipline thieves in Ghana. I like it. Keep it up. It's good. It's similar to ours, just that ours is more, I like our own. I like it because our own, you be placed whatever you stole. Even if it is a car that you steal, they will place it on your head, undress you, and make you walk around the whole community, parade yourself, showing people, this is my achievement. Next time, are you going to steal again? Never. I like this style. Let's continue.
Operate the fleet of excavators. I never stay in hotel. In every bush, in every town, I have some friend, like I have his telephone number. We met somewhere. Then I'm coming to this some Kutukurum or Kujukurum or whatever is that. Bodie, Pristia, Bondi. These actually the names of the towns. When I'm going there, I see in my phone, I have someone there. I call, bro, can I stay in your house? He said, of course, stay how long you want. He will even not allow me to go to the hotel. So, yeah, Ghanaians are very, very welcoming. I never stay in the hotel. I think Elon Musk, yeah, it's not about you have money or you don't have money. It's something, yeah, somehow, yeah. Comment how it is in your country. When you travel to another city, can you stay with your friend in their house? They will welcome you, or better hotel. Ghana have own time. 1 hour, it doesn't mean it is 60 minutes. If somebody say, okay, I'll be after 1 hour at your office. Please don't be naive and don't wait after 60 minutes or somebody appear in your office. Definitely it means today. That's for sure. Definitely it is like few hours from now. I don't know what must happen if he really need you like badly, because this is even, you should start look at this like, you are hot, huh? If he really come after 60 minutes. This is something like when Ghanaian who have British accent or Deutsch accent, who have been like 10 years in those countries where time is pepe, no questions. This is no more Ghanaian. This is something else. He will really appear exactly 9:15, not 9:16 if he say so. But normal Ghanaian will don't take this so strict that after 1 hour and exactly this time. Take it easy. Take it easy. If you will try to force everybody to be at that time, you will feel like you are trying to push the river. River have his own flow. Of course, you can turn the country, then the rivers will go faster. Good luck. But this will be exactly how it will feel if you will start to encourage everybody to be at the time. Rather, you will become a madman, because just take it easy. If someone say, I'll be after 1 hour, don't cancel something. Just do what you do, and when it comes, it comes. So that's my advice. Yeah. So what did I forget? What did I forget?
The only thing you forgot is the apologies before greeting. You forgot to tell your friends that when somebody wants to greet you in Ghana, they will apologize. Me pacho, good morning. Me pacho, come and eat. Me pacho, you are invited. Me pacho, Me pacho. Anyways, quite hilarious and very relatable. And to be honest, the timing on, I have not really noticed it because I'm as guilty as charged. Yeah, I'm also not really a timekeeper, but I'm working on myself. Okay, I'm working on myself. And in which part again did I think he missed the point? I think he's just accurate. He is right. And besides, he has been in Ghana way longer than myself. Anyway, I hope you find the video funny, and I'm going to leave his handle in the description of this video just in case you like to follow him for more videos. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.